At this point, maybe you are probably thinking, why should I use Elementor to build my website? Elementor actually makes editing of your website easier and user friendly as possible. All you just have to do is to log into your WordPress website, and I'll show you guys how to go about that in a few minutes. Just need to log into your WordPress website, get it installed and activated, and you can start building and customizing your WordPress website making use of Elementor. It offers magic for creating website designs, and it also offers professional workflows as you can see here. And you can supercharge your WordPress website making use of Elementor. The plugin is actually, they offer free features, and even the free features is even enough for you to build a professional website, irrespective of your niches. Maybe you want to build a business website, a landing page, a squeeze page, an opt-in page, and others. So Elementor actually makes our life more easier and faster as a WordPress website designer. The last thing why you might want to choose Elementor as your page builder is it offers a responsive website design experience for your users. Um, Most especially when you are building advanced and professional websites, especially something like landing pages, quiz pages, you don't have to necessarily need to worry about how how your website is going to look responsive across all devices, like on desktop, the tablet, and the mobile versions for your end users. Elementor actually will take care of everything for you, and you can even um, customize the website in such a way whereby it can fit in properly for all devices across for your users at the end of the day. So you don't have to like be thinking of how can I go about editing my website to make sure that it looks fully responsive across all devices. Elementor is actually going to take care of everything for you.